how to add a new contact in Tawasal. So hey guys, on today's video I'll be teaching how to add a new contact in Tawasal. So to add a new contact in Tawasal, all we need to do is open up our Tawasal right here. Once we open up our Tawasal right here, to add a new contact, all we need to do is click here. On the bottom left corner you will see chats. So there at the chats, click on chats right there. After pressing on chats right there, to add a new contact in Tawasal, all we need to do is right here, you'll see new chat. So here at the new chat right here, all we need to do is click on new chat right over there. As you can see right now, you see on the bottom right corner, you can see on the bottom right corner, you can add a new chat by just clicking on the plus icon, then click on new contact. Then you're gonna put on the new contact's name, put in Jerna, the last name, Clint. After that, put in the country. So in the Philippines, so we're just gonna go down. Philippines, and then now we're just gonna add the number right here. So you can add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. There you go. As you can see right now, after adding that right there, just click on create contact right there. Once you click on create contact, invite to Tawasal. No, we're just not gonna invite them, but no, okay, fine, invite. There you go. As you can see right now, we've invited the person to go to a message or there, so we can create them a contact right here in Tawasal. So guys, that's how it works. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any question, concerns, comment down below guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible on here on how to rock it guys. There you guys, and see you on the next one, and thank you.